So guys, we're now about a week and a half away from Apple's big event, and the big question on everyone's mind is simple. Is it worth upgrading to the new iPhone 17 Pro or the 17 Pro Max, especially when it comes to battery life? That's exactly what we're diving into today. We'll break down all the leaks around battery improvements, talk about a few other juicy details, and of course, cover release dates and prices. Let's start with battery life because this year Apple might finally be giving us something we've been asking for forever. The iPhone 17 Pro Max is rumored to pack a 5,000 mAh battery, or maybe even slightly bigger. That's a big jump from last year's 4,600 mAh, and honestly, it would make the 17 Pro Max one of the longest-lasting phones on the market. Remember, the 16 Pro Max already dominated battery life charts, so imagine what a bump like this could do. Now, how are they squeezing that bigger battery in? Well, leaks suggest the Pro models are moving to an aluminum frame, which frees up a little more internal space. Apple's apparently also shifted the antennas around the camera module, and all of that combined makes room for that larger battery. What about the regular iPhone 17 Pro? That one's a bit less certain. We don't have exact numbers yet. But based on the design changes, we're expecting somewhere around 3,700 to maybe 3,800 mAh, up from the 3,500 mAh on the 16 Pro. Nothing crazy, but still an improvement. Battery capacity isn't the whole story though. Apple's new A19 Pro chip is coming too, built on TSMC's latest 3nm process. That means it should be more powerful than the A18 Pro while also being more power efficient. So not only are we getting bigger batteries, but also better optimization. And if you're worried about heat with bigger batteries and heavy tasks like 8K video recording, Apple might be adding a vapor chamber cooling system this year. Even the Event Invite logo kind of hints at thermal management. So that could be another quiet but important upgrade. Now, Apple's event is locked in for September 9th at 10 a.m. Pacific. Pre-orders are expected to open that same week on Friday the 12th, and then the first units should hit stores a week later on September 19th. As for price, leaks suggest a small increase this year. The iPhone 17 Pro could start at $1,049, and the 17 Pro Max might start at $1,049, $1,249. So about $50 more than last year across the Pro lineup. So here's the bottom line. Bigger batteries, more efficient chips, possible cooling upgrades, and a slight price bump. The question is, does that make the iPhone 17 Pro lineup worth it for you? Personally, I think battery life is shaping up to be one of the strongest selling points this year, but I'd love to hear what you think. Drop your thoughts in the comments. If you enjoyed this breakdown, hit that like button and give hype too. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.